guys, Kiwi with 3 eyes here from Animal Jam. So today I'm going to be giving away a wood floor because I have a spare. As you know, I do like random giveaways and stuff. I gave away a blue wristband before. Now I'm going to be giving away wood floor. So yeah. Okay, I just have to explain the rules and everything. Okay. When I say go, you will all send me a jammer. So I already have my random.org up and I'm just getting ready. Okay, go. I'm waiting, guys. Come on. Animal Jam rocks. Animal Jam. They're sending more than one. Okay. So, Cool Jammer Seal Swifty. Okay. Animal Jam rocks. Animal Jam rocks. So, we have Tally. Moonlight. Moonlight. Okay. This person said more than one. Okay. So 10. And the winner is 9. So it's going to be like the 9th person to send one. So literally just this person over. So the winner is Howlin' in the Moonlight. Howlin' in the Moonlight. Okay. The winner is... Okay, wait. I'm just going to send it and then say, oh, it's sent. Wood floor. Oh gosh, okay. It's sent to the winner. See, I just love seeing people so happy. I don't know why. I really do. TYSM. Say. Maybe there's something else I could give away. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. do. Sure. Oh. Oh, that's one of my storages, I think. No, it's not. Okay. Wait, yes, no, I don't know. Yes, you can. Okay, this one is actually small. Okay, pink beta tail. Okay. Oh, gee. Oh, I went. Oh, okay. Same. Sorry, guys. I'm like, I'm so supernatural. Okay. I feel super generous. I don't know. I do. What? Random.org. Okay. By the way, number 1 is like the first person, so Jammer 2D, yeah, they'd be first. How Moonlight, don't try anything, girl. Stop trying stuff. They have 2 people here. Okay. Okay, let's do this. So it's 10 people again. And if that girl wins, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna make her win or not. 9 again! Ugh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's 50! Congrats. Okay, here we go. The winner just got there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just did that. It's 50. I don't know. I just feel so good giving away stuff and all that. I actually do want to see her put it on tray just so that people be like, and I'm not doing this for attention. I just enjoy doing this. I enjoy a lot. Again. Again. Last one. For a small thing. Sorry, not for trade. Yes, I am. Okay, this is for Beta Sewing Machine, and I keep exiting this. Okay, Okay, send jams now. Okay, so I like talk to myself when I type. These people obviously have like people here. Okay. Survivors, howl in the moonlight. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Okay. Jeez. How much are you doing it? I don't even know who Chase person is. Like, when did they get here? Okay. 10. Don't be 9 again. 7. Okay. So, 7. Cray cray kook jammer. Where is she? Is this her? That's cool jammer seal. Are they here? I don't think they're here anymore. Okay, let's do it again. 1. The first person was this girl. Finally she won something. Like, she's complaining and stuff, so. Congrats. Oh no, I think that person was here. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I feel so bad now. They were. Oh no. I feel so terrible. The person deserves something now. I can't tell her that she won though. I feel so bad, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.